Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 13 describing ourselves and others. Lesson number 2 is describing self and others. Keywords are am, is, are, they, doing words. Yes children, today our topic is describing self and others. I will explain you what are the words we use when we are describing ourselves children. Okay, and what are the words we use when we are describing about others. Okay children, for this you have to again read the story children. Okay, so in this paragraph if you see children, here I am Ramu Patel. So I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. I am 7 years old. Okay children, if you see this paragraph is telling us about Ramu Patel. Okay children, so when he is describing about himself, what he will use? He will use I am. Okay children, I am he has used here. And then to what he is liking, for that he will use doing words also. Okay children, now I want to tell about myself. What I will say? I am Nusrat Begum. I am your English teacher. I like painting. So when teacher is describing about her, what words I am using? I am using I am. Okay children. So when we are describing about ourselves, we will use I am. Okay. Till here clear no children? Next point I will explain you. When we are describing about others children. Okay, for example, I will say he is a good boy. She is a good girl. She writes neatly. She dances very well. So when I am talking about other person, what words I will use? I will use he, she. Okay, till here clear? When we are talking about ourselves, we will use I am. When we are talking about the other person, we use he or she. Okay children, if you see story in We Indians page number 79 children, what they have given here? We are two sisters. We belong to Odisha. We speak Oriya. Okay children, now here two people are telling about themselves. So when more than one person is there, two people are there. So what we will use children? We will use. What we will use? We. Okay, we will use for two person. Okay children. Now what I will say? Myself and my daughter are there, for example. So what I will say? I am going to market. When I am alone, I will say I am going to market. When myself and my daughter is there, what I will say? We are going to market. Okay children. When two persons are there, we use we. Okay children, till here clear? Fine children. Now let me tell you. Now how I will explain you children. These are two sisters. They I will use. They are from, I am talking about them. Okay children, now they are not talking. Now I am talking about them. So two people are there. No, so what I will use? I am using they. What I am using? They are from Odisha. They speak Oriya. They decorate their walls and floor with finger patterns, I will say. Okay children, when we are talking about different people, okay, we use different words in the sentence. Now I am using they. Okay, when I am talking about myself and my daughter, I will use we. Okay, when I am talking about the other person, I will use he or she. When I am talking about myself only, I will use I am. Okay children, so like this we can use these words in sentences. And what else will help us to know more about the person? So for example, if you read this story again children, you will understand. My name is Kamla. I come from Karnataka. I speak Kannada. I play Mrigandam. Okay children, so what this girl is saying? She is from Karnataka. Her name is Kamla. If we want to tell more about ourselves, so we use all these sentences. And when we want to say what we like, we will use action words in the sentence. When we want to tell more about ourselves, we use action words also in the sentences. Clear, children? Yes, children. Now all of you all open your workbook, children, page number 26. Write the date, children. Yes, S2. Describe self and others. First bit is fill in the blanks to describe Ramu Patel. Okay, children. This we can use the reader, children. With the help of reader, we can write I am. See, children, here. I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. All this they have given in the reader, children. You can see and write here, children. Okay? Yes, we can write now also, children. Or afterwards, if you want to write, you can write. Okay? Yes, children, if you see here, I have written, children. I am Ramu Patel. I come from Gujarat. I speak Gujarati. I like to do Garba. Like this we have to write, children. Okay, and now let us go to the second bit, children. Write a few sentences about yourself. Draw a picture of yourself. Children, here box is given. So you can draw a picture of yourself, children. Any picture you can draw here. If you want, if you like painting, you can draw that. If you like dancing, you can draw the picture. Okay. If you like reading, you can draw the picture. If you like writing also, you can draw. So first what you will write? I am. What is your name? You have to write. If I am Adya, I am Hiral, I am Varshit, I am Anish. Okay, like that you have to write your name first in the blank. I am your name. Okay, and then I come from. You come from which place? You have to write Telangana or Gujarat or Maharashtra. Okay, like that you have to write. Then I speak. Yeah, what you will speak, you have to write that language. Okay, Bengali, Gujarati, Telugu, Marathi. What you speak, you have to write. And then you have to write I like to do dance, or I like painting, I like to paint. Okay, I like to write. Anything which one you like, that action word you have to write. Okay, children? Yes, clear? If you want, you can see the first bit and write down the second bit as homework, children. This one I am giving you homework. Okay? Do this as homework, children. Nothing is there. Just you have to write here, I am your name, I come from which place, I speak which language, and then I like to, the thing which you like to do, that you have to write. That is homework for you all. Please do your homework, children. Yes, children, now all of you all take out your classwork, children. Yes, and then you have to draw the margin like this neatly. Write the date here in the dates column. Draw the double margin. Write down block 13, describing ourselves and others. Okay, children? This is very important question, children. In each and every block they have given. Okay, now you are familiar to this question and you can answer it. See, children, what it is. Use the letters given below and make as many words as you can. Children, here letters are given. We have to make as many words as we can. So what are the letters? A, C, G, I, K, N, Q, U. So answer is, we can make A, N, and I, N, in, I, N, K, ink, K, I, N, kin, C, A, N, can, N, A, G, nag, G, A, I, N, gain, K, I, N, G, king, Q, U, I, C, K, quick, Q, U, A, C, K, quack. Children, first I have written 2-letter words, then 3-letter words, then 4-letter words, children. Yes, children. Now, second question, children. Make one big word that uses all the letters. Now, what we have to do? We have to use all these 8 letters, children, and we have to make a big word. Okay, one big word we have to make. What is that word? Let us see, children. So, the answer is quacking. Okay, with all the letters given in the question number 1, we can use all those and we can make one big word. Quacking. Quacking. Okay, children. So write neatly your classwork, complete your workbook, children. Okay, and read the story We Indians. All should read that story, children, so you will understand what words we can use when we are describing ourselves, when we are describing others. Okay, what are the action words, how we have to use. Okay, read the story. Okay, children, once again 2 times or 1 time you read the story. Okay, then you will understand better. Okay, children, thank you. See you in the next class.